Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to the channel. And today on my Pint V-75 I'm gonna try it concrete this I call baby hill because I got two of them, which usually I bring my wheels for test. This is the one with slope 15 to 20 degree. It has a couple humps. Pretty much to the first one it's around 15 degree or so, and right about you hit first hump it gets up to a 20 or like 18, 17 or so, and then farther it's going to be a little bit steeper. Pretty much I was here almost a month ago with my another Pint in the stock configuration, and the stock configuration didn't even go, I mean, we're talking about like 10-15 feet or so. I didn't even reach its first hump because the wheel was way under power, and I mean, it was not able to push it my fat ass even close to a first hump. Pretty much, yeah. Pint one wheel. Currently, it has 120 mile on a board. Pretty much, it's pretty new. I'm a fat guy. Yeah, it's 290. Let me try, do my best. Of course, you can see it's got bunch bumps. I was gonna try do my best, but especially with Pint. Why I want to try it Pint, especially I already did long time ago with XR, because someone's saying due to a smaller tire, the Pint has more torque than XR. Well, let's try it and see how accurate that information. I didn't go too far. Today I'm on a different animal. This is like I said, Pint V-75. It's a Vesc 75 volt 18S 1P with 5000 milliamp. Pretty much battery wise, it's a 320 watt battery capacity, same as Pint X, Pint S, and XR. Well, wish me luck. Today it's gonna be kind of difficult because last time was nice dry grass, but now it's wet. But you never know until you try it, right? It's really amazing. It's so wet, it's so slippery. I thought I was gonna crush it right there. I mean, it's unbelievable the condition of that truck. I mean, like I said, it's not the right time, of course. It's already late fall. Yeah, snow is gonna be here any day. But this monster, well, not really monster, I got Monster XR at home, but this is a Pint V-75. It's really amazing, guys. I'm almost, the way you see me right now, I'm almost 290. And this hill, like I said, it's a baby hill. It's not my other one. Other one is like a 30 plus degree slope. But on this baby hill, I used to have XR, I used to have GT, and Pint as well, and it never did able to brought me all way on top. I mean to the top. This one, this machine, I call rocket pocket because it's a small, but it has so much punch, unbelievable. Some people ask me already, what's the top speed it can go? With my weight, the max I did go a little over 20. Yeah. A 20.7 or something. But on one hand, it doesn't sound too impressive because like my Monster Vesc XR, I did go 27. But then when you consider for what it is, and if you look at my previous record XR and GT, this one is already 3 miles faster than my GT. Unbelievable, guys. Well, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciated. Thank you.